So have you ever been stuck traveling somewhere and your headphone battery dies? If you have, you're probably also wondering what it would be like to have unlimited headphone battery. Well, you won't have to imagine anymore because Urbanista have just released some new solar-powered headphones with infinite battery life. I've been playing around with these over the last few days, and today I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about them. And at the end, I'll give you my verdict on whether they're worth getting. If you're new around here, then welcome to the channel. I make videos for fun on tech, productivity and lifestyle. I'm currently on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so if you like my videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like on this video, as any help would be really awesome. Let's start off with the unboxing. If you haven't heard of Urbanista, they're a Scandinavian company that started in 2010 with a focus on audio products inspired by urban culture. Their headphones are available in over 90 countries now, so they're quickly becoming a well-known brand in the audio world. It's worth pointing out that some of Urbanista's previous headphone models have suffered from below average audio quality versus the likes of Bose and Sony, so I'm really keen to see what these new headphones can do. Anyway, as you can see here, this new solar power edition is called the Los Angeles model, which costs $200 or £170. It comes in two colours, black and sand gold, and this is the black option here. So as we open up the box, you can see that we get the headphones themselves, which also comes in this really handy carrying case, and that feels like a bit of an essential for travel headphones these days. And then of course we also get the USB-C charging cable, but with no power brick, which is worth noting. And then finally we have the quick start guide as well. So let's open these headphones up now so we can go through some of the key design elements. When it comes to key features, let's start with the headline topic, which is of course battery life. The 750 mAh battery in these headphones allows up to 80 hours of playback on a single charge, or 50 hours if you switch the active noise cancelling on. And they can also be charged traditionally via USB-C. What makes these headphones truly unique though is that they also feature a solar panel carefully integrated into the length of the headband. All in all, this means the 80 hours of battery life is really the least you can expect, and that's assuming you're in pitch black for those 80 hours. That's because these headphones can be charged in any light conditions, not just outdoor light. So if you're anywhere there's light, whether that's light from a bulb or whatever, then these headphones will play indefinitely. So unlike the name suggests, you don't have to live in sunny California to get the most out of these cans. Urbanista have created a photovoltaic system using a broad strip of powerfoil solar cell material running across the top of the headband, which extracts the energy from the light whether the headphones are switched on or switched off. So the headphones are always charging, which means they're always ready to play. Currently these are the only headphones in the world that are configured this way, and consequently they're the only headphones available right now that can actually gain battery life as they're playing. In fact, in the 3 days I've tested these so far, I've not been able to run down the battery below 50% yet, which is seriously impressive. Aside from the solar charging and battery life, these headphones are of course wireless and feature active noise cancelling. And while the noise cancelling ability of these headphones is not quite in the same league as the likes of Bose, it's still held up pretty well in my few days of testing for all kinds of use, whether on the train, on the road, or also for conference calls at home. They also have an ambient mode which you can switch on easily if you want to suddenly hear more of your surroundings. And when it comes to comfort, these headphones are pretty decent in my opinion. They're fully over ear, which is great, and the headband has a really nice cushion to it. I found I can wear these for long stints without feeling uncomfortable, and the adjustable sides make it really easy to find the right fit for you, and the quality of the overall finish means these are pretty sturdy and not flimsy like some other cheaper headphones you can buy, which is great if you wanted to use these for running or working out. In terms of sound quality, the LA headphones are pretty good. In truth, there's probably better sounding headphones available for the price, but the Los Angeles are lively, clear and a really fun listen. If you're interested in an energetic and up and atom sound, then these will keep you thoroughly entertained for a long time. Finally, the headphones also feature a built-in microphone which works pretty well for short calls, and they're also fully compatible with Siri and Google Voice Assistant. They work well across Android and iOS and connect to most devices easily using Bluetooth 5.0. To summarise my thoughts on these headphones, I think they're awesome. Yes, the sound quality and active noise cancelling could be improved, but if you're focusing on that, then you're really missing the point. These headphones haven't been designed to be the best sounding studio headphones. They haven't been designed to wear at your desk or in your home. They've been designed to be the best mid-priced travelling headphones you can buy. And to do this, they've overcome by far the biggest pain point most people have when travelling, which is battery life or charge anxiety. And considering the price at $200, they do this in a really affordable package as well. With the recent release of Apple's new MacBook Pro that has 21 hours of battery, it's only fair you have a pair of wireless headphones that can go all night and all day as well. By the way, get subscribed to the channel if you're keen to see my review of the new MacBook Pro, which will be dropping any day now. So guys, if you want to grab some of these headphones, I'll put the link in the description, as well as links to all my other gear so you guys can check those out on your own time. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.